the vegetable sweet corn soup, I have taken a cup of sweet corn and finely chopped beans and two carrots which I have finely chopped and kept it. If you have any other vegetables like cabbage and peas, you can also add along with these vegetables. First, I'm going to boil this cup of sweet corn.
In a large pan, add a bowl of water.
Add the corn to the pan and boil it. Now the corn is well cooked. Now let you take it and see how it is cooked. Yeah, the smell is really amazing. Now the corn is cooked in a mixture jar. I'm going to take a little bit of corn and grind it to a paste. Now to the pan I'm going to add the corn paste that we have done. So to the pan I'm going to add the left starch that we have used for cooking the corn. Now I'm going to stir it well and keep it in the low flame and let it get cooked for 5 minutes. The cream corn puree for the soup is ready now. To a bowl, add 1 spoon corn and dilute it with water and add this. Give it a nice stir to the cream soup that we have made. Add some butter to the pan and add some chopped garlic and onions to the pan. Saute it well. Add the chopped carrots, add the chopped bunch of beans. If you have any other vegetables, you can also add that. Saute it well and then add some salt. Add a cup of water to the vegetable so that it gets cooked. Let the vegetables get boiled and let it get cooked. Now the vegetables are well cooked. Now we have the stock of the vegetables cooked also. Now I'm going to add the cream corn that we have made it ready, and I'm going to add it along with this cooked vegetables. Give it a nice stir. Now I'm going to add a little bit of pepper to the soup so that it becomes little spicy, as I always want my soups to be a little bit spicy. Finally, I'm going to add some coriander leaves so that it gives a nice aroma to the soup. Now our soup is ready. I'm going to leave it for another 2 to 3 minutes in a low flame. The soup is ready to be served. Do try this recipe at your home. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the notifications. I will come with another interesting recipe in my next video. Thank you.